Do you sometimes know what you want to say in English, but you don't know the right sentence? Don't worry. In this lesson, you're going to learn 100 English sentences for everyday conversations. These are simple sentences you can use at home, at work, while shopping, when meeting people, and in many other everyday situations. Listen carefully. After each sentence, pause for a moment and repeat it aloud. You don't need to memorize everything today. Just listen, understand, and practice. Let's begin. Let's start with some sentences you can use in the morning and at home. Let's start with some sentences you can use in the morning and at home. 1. I just woke up. You can say this when you have recently opened your eyes after sleeping. 2. I need a few more minutes. You can say this when you need a little more time. 3. What time is it? You can say this when you want to know the current time. 4. I'm still tired. You can say this when you don't feel fully awake. 5. I need to get ready. You can say this when you need to prepare yourself to go somewhere. 6. What should I wear? You can say this when you are choosing your clothes. 7. Where are my keys? You can say this when you cannot find your keys. 8. I'm making breakfast. You can say this when you are preparing your morning meal. 9. I'm almost ready. You can say this when you are nearly finished getting ready. 10. I'm ready to go. You can say this when you are completely ready to leave. Now let's practice some useful sentences for getting ready and leaving home. 11. I need to take a shower. You can say this when you are getting ready in the morning. 12. I'll be ready soon. You can say this when someone is waiting for you. 13. Give me a minute. You can say this when you need a short amount of time. 14. I'm running late. You can say this when you are late and need to hurry. 15. I have to leave now. You can say this when it is time for you to go. 16. I'll see you later. You can say this when you are leaving someone but expect to see them again. 17. Have a good day. You can say this when you want to wish someone a nice day. 18. Take care. You can say this when you say goodbye in a friendly way. 19. Don't forget your phone. You can say this when you remind someone to take their phone. 20. I'm on my way. You can say this when you have already started going somewhere. Let's move to work and study. These sentences are useful for school, university, or the workplace. 21. I'm at work now. You can say this when you have arrived at your workplace. 22. I'm a little busy right now. You can say this when you are busy and cannot talk for long. 23. Can we talk later? You can say this when you want to speak to someone at another time. 24. I have a meeting today. You can say this when you have a meeting planned. 25. I'm working on it. You can say this when you are currently doing a task. 26. Could you help me? You can say this when you need someone's help. 27. I don't understand this part. You can say this when something is difficult to understand. 28. Could you explain it again? You can say this when you need another explanation. 29. I'll do it now. You can say this when you are going to start a task immediately. 30. I'll finish it soon. You can say this when you expect to complete something shortly. 31. Let me check. You can say this when you need to look at something before answering. 32. I'll get back to you. You can say this when you need time to find an answer and respond later. Next, let's look at sentences you can use when meeting people and having small conversations. 33. Hi, how are you? You can say this when you greet someone. 34. I'm doing well, thanks. You can say this when someone asks how you are. 35. Nice to meet you. You can say this when you meet someone for the first time. 36. Where are you from? You can say this when you want to know someone's country or city. 37. What do you do? You can say this when you want to ask about someone's job. 38. What have you been up to? You can say this when you want to ask what someone has been doing recently. 39. That sounds great. You can say this when someone tells you something positive. 40. That sounds interesting. You can say this when something someone says catches your attention. 41. Really? Tell me more. You can say this when you want someone to continue their story. 42. It was nice talking to you. You can say this when you are ending a friendly conversation. Now let's practice some useful English for shopping. 43. Can I help you? You can say this when you work in a shop and offer help. 44. I'm just looking, thanks. You can say this when you don't need help yet. 45. How much is this? You can say this when you want to know the price. 46. Do you have this in another size? You can say this when you need a different size. 47. Do you have this in another color? You can say this when you want a different color. 48. Can I try this on? You can say this when you want to wear something before buying it. 49. I'll take it. You can say this when you decide to buy something. 50. That's too expensive for me. You can say this when something costs more than you want to pay. 51. Do you have anything cheaper? You can say this when you want a less expensive option. 52. Can I pay by card? You can say this when you want to pay with a bank card. Let's move on to restaurants and food. 53. A table for two, please. You can say this when you need a table for two people. 54. Can I see the menu, please? You can say this when you want to look at the menu. 55. What do you recommend? You can say this when you want the other person to suggest something. 56. I'd like this, please. You can say this when you want to order something. 57. Can I have some water? You can say this when you want to ask for water. 58. This looks delicious. You can say this when food looks very good. 59. Could we have the bill, please? You can say this when you are ready to pay at a restaurant. 60. Can I get this to go? You can say this when you want to take your food with you. 61. Everything was delicious. You can say this when you enjoyed your meal. 62. Thank you for the meal. You can say this when you want to thank someone for the food. Here are some useful sentences for traveling and getting around. 63. Where is the bus stop? You can say this when you need to find a bus stop. 64. How can I get there? You can say this when you want directions. 65. Is it far from here? You can say this when you want to know the distance. 66. Which way should I go? You can say this when you need help finding the right direction. 67. I'm looking for this address. You can say this when you need help finding a specific place. 68. What time does the bus leave? You can say this when you want to know the departure time. 69. Where can I buy a ticket? You can say this when you need to buy a travel ticket. 70. Is this seat taken? You can say this when you want to know if a seat is available. 71. I think I'm lost. You can say this when you don't know where you are. 72. Could you show me on the map? You can say this when you want someone to show you a location. These next sentences are useful when you're talking on the phone or sending messages. 73. Are you free right now? You can say this when you want to know if someone has time to talk. 74. Can I call you later? You can say this when you are busy and want to talk later. 75. I'll call you back. You can say this when you need to end a call and call again later. 76. I just got your message. You can say this when you have recently seen someone's message. 77. Sorry, I missed your call. You can say this when you could not answer someone's phone call. 78. I'll text you later. You can say this when you plan to send someone a message later. 79. Can you send me the details? You can say this when you want someone to send you more information. 80. I'll send it now. You can say this when you are going to send something immediately. 81. Let me know when you're free. You can say this when you want someone to tell you when they have time. 82. Talk to you soon. You can say this when you end a friendly phone or online conversation. Finally, let's practice some sentences you can use in the evening and in everyday social situations. 83. How was your day? You can say this when you want to ask someone about their day. 84. My day was pretty good. You can say this when someone asks how your day was. 85. I'm a little tired. You can say this when you don't have much energy. 86. What are you doing tonight? You can say this when you want to know someone's evening plans. 87. Do you have any plans for tomorrow? You can say this when you want to ask about someone's plans. 88. Would you like to join us? You can say this when you want to invite someone. 89. That sounds like a good idea. You can say this when you like someone's suggestion. 90. I'd love to. You can say this when you happily accept an invitation. 91. Maybe next time. You can say this when you cannot join someone now, but may join later. 92. I had a great time. You can say this when you really enjoyed an event or activity. 93. See you tomorrow. You can say this when you expect to see someone the next day. 94. Have a good night. You can say this when you say goodbye in the evening. 95. I'll talk to you tomorrow. You can say this when you plan to speak with someone the next day. 96. Get some rest. You can say this when someone is tired and needs to relax. 97. Sleep well. You can say this when you say good night to someone. 98. See you soon. You can say this when you expect to see someone again soon. 99. Thanks for today. You can say this when you want to thank someone for spending time with you. 100. Have a great day tomorrow. You can say this when you want to wish someone well for the next day. Great job! You just learned 100 useful English sentences. But don't try to memorize all 100 today. Choose 5 sentences that you think you can use this week. Listen to them again, say them aloud, then try to use them in a real conversation. Remember, learning a sentence is only the first step. Using it is what makes it part of your English. You don't need to use difficult English to speak naturally. Start with simple sentences. Use them every day, and slowly, speaking English will become more comfortable. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep learning. I'll see you in the next video.